Air defense weaponry is the shield of national security. At this year's China Air Show, the debut of a fourth-generation HQ-16FE, that is a medium to long-range air defense missile system, also attracted a lot of attention. It was developed by Chief Engineer Mr. Zhuang Guoping at the 8th Academy of China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. What combat advantages does it have, and what role will it play on the battlefield? Our reporter conducted on-the-spot interviews before.
This missile launch vehicle is a very important part of the medium to long-range air defense missile weapon system newly developed by the 8th Academy. Now we see its launch tubes in an upright posture. In actual combat, this is a state to be launched for combat. There are 6 launch tubes on a vehicle. Each one carries a HQ-16FE missile. It is a typical representative of the 4th-generation air defense weaponry.
The first important feature is that it has a strong combat capability. It is an integrated air defense and anti-missile system, which can deal with many types of targets, including manned and unmanned aerial vehicles, precision-guided missiles, and loitering missiles. One of the most important features is that it can also intercept tactical ballistic missiles. Its combat performance should be the best among similar weapons available in the international market today.
In addition to having piercing eyes, it also has a smart brain. That is, the degree of smartness is high. From early warning detection, target recognition, intelligent decision-making, fire interception can be fully automated. At the same time, it also has its own anti-hack and anti-deceive center. That is, it has strong anti-interference ability. Not only can it identify interference, but it can also take the initiative to fight and turn defense into offense. What is loaded in the transparent launch tube, as demo here, is the HQ-16FE missile.
It is a typical 4th-generation air defense missile, that is to say, what we see is only the tail. The full missile has no wings, and looks like a bare rod bomb. It is like a pen or pencil, straight, for which what we call a bare rod bomb, can fly faster and fly farther.
From the appearance, the middle part of the HQ-16FE missile seems to be divided into 2 sections. This special design is the killer feature of the 4th-generation air defense missiles, which can strike advanced fighter jets.
That is to say, when the missile is intercepting the target, a lateral force can be activated, which is push and pull force in flat base. Missiles can move horizontally. The pan function is especially effective against very advanced combat fighters. When the enemy fighter jet is escaping, our missiles can be automatically turned on, in a translational moving, and launched. So this kind of missile is a typical 4th-generation air defense missile as known today.
The development of our country's air defense missiles has gone through decades of development from the 1960s to the present. In the past, the original development of a new type of missile system took from 10 to 20 years. Now, it only takes 3 to 5 years. The development concept and method have undergone great changes.
Our current missiles are universal. In this way, we are taking the development path of intensification. Because after a new missile system is equipped, the process from its entire operation to the support and maintenance management process is very complicated. Only after its design concept is cleared up, the most direct thing is to ensure guarantee unity, standardized and can be mass-produced. Then the entire investment resource process will also be simplified now.
For Mr. Zhuang Guoping, the equipment should not only be universal, but also the weapons that will be used on the battlefield in the future must be easy to use, effective and durable. They proposed the concept of maintenance-free throughout the life cycle.
It is an equipment that can be put to launch immediately after being pulled out. It requires as little maintenance work as possible, which means that our equipment has high reliability and is designed to be a maintenance-free system. Once handed over to the troops, it is best left in storage without maintenance. When you need it, you can take it out and be ready to launch right away.
With the public appearance of the 4th-generation air defense weapons and equipment, Mr. Zhuang Guoping revealed that the current air defense and anti-missile technology is aiming at intelligent development.
From hitting high-altitude targets, low-altitude targets to super low-altitude targets, including today's entire traditional fighter jets, ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, loitering munitions and drones, our systems will face a high-tech, high-intensity war in the future. If we want to win, we have to continue to make a lot of effort on intelligent development.